Hello YouTube, how's it going? The car looks a lot better. Today's another solo. I don't have friends. It's raining. It's the nicest day we got all week. It's 70 degrees in New York, but it's supposedly raining all day. So I'm gonna try and do my 3-stage manifold install on the N52. I'm gonna try to tune it out today with the BimmerLabs tune, and yeah, hopefully start making a little more horsepower. One thing I wanted to do too, the first video that I did, technically the second, but the first upload is the bumper video. It's very long, so I'm gonna try to keep this video to 15-20 minutes max. Instead of recording like time lapses and all that crap, I'm just gonna do one step at a time. I'm gonna show you guys, explain or whatever, and then yeah, because right now it's just me and my iPhone, and my iPhone doesn't have a lot of space, so I'm just gonna try and do that. And then we'll add this blooper in. Look, I found a wormy. Legogeeks backyard, well, driveway. But yeah, I mean, I think the bumper came out good. I just want to go over this really quickly. So I messed up. I shouldn't have used 1K, should have used 2K, because my paint is still glossy. This is not glossy. So I have to sand it back down and reshoot with 2K, because I also messed up the bumper here because it dropped. And then I need a headlight bracket, all that. I'm getting that off the forums because ESS has it for $16 for that side, but I need to spend a lot of money on shipping, so it doesn't make sense. But yeah, the car looks good. We'll go over that one day in another video. But this car is finally gonna get a little bit of love. Legogeeks backyard. This is our resident shop cat. Do you have anything you would like to say to the camera? No? Okay. All right. Anyways, so it's gonna rain in 2 hours. I don't know how much I'm trusting the weather right now, so I'm most likely just gonna take off the old intake manifold and just leave it there for the day. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna do the install, but I want to show you the manifold that I did get off of the One Addicts forums. I paid $160 shipped from I think it was Pennsylvania, or I mean, it doesn't matter where I got it from. I'm obviously not gonna show you guys. I got it from Michigan. That's just where it came from. But everything came $160 shipped, so it wasn't that bad. It came with a beauty cover, which is nice, because I think this beauty cover is longer. I don't know. I have mine somewhere up there. That's my bumper. Don't worry about it. That's the old one. I tried to fix it because I bought a plastic welder and stuff. They end up fixing it. I don't know why there's a little bit of oil in this bag, but came all here. The diesel valves are all in here. So that's the one. Oh, it even came with the oil separator. I think that's on the stock intake manifold though, so cool. Everything looks good. All right, so hopefully all the clips should just follow in chronological order. I'm hoping my mic quality isn't so bad. I ordered a crappy mic off of Amazon that's wireless. It should be coming in the mail today. So later in the video or tomorrow, you might see a difference in quality. Anyways, I didn't really look up a video on how to do this or tutorial, but since my stuff did come with a new throttle body, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take off the intake manifold. I'm gonna take off this front cowl cover. I'm hoping I do not have to take off the tray with the wiper arms. I don't think I will have to, and that should be it. It should literally just be the fuel rail harness that has to come out. Some people were saying they took out the fuel rail. I don't know if I have to do that. I'm pretty sure I could just shimmy this out because the bolts are top mounted, so it's not that hard to get to. And then yeah, like oil sensor has to come out, like all this crap. I think just the oil sensor has to come out. Why is there just a bung there? All right, whatever. And then yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go and check to make sure I have the intake manifold gaskets, because I ordered that like a while ago when I planned to do this. I just never did it, so yeah. All right, so a little update. It's raining like crazy outside, which sucks. I used to have a glass table. It's not there anymore. Anyways, the one thing is the N51s had a vacuum line on the throttle body, and there's like an actual port here. I don't know exactly what it's for. It's probably to do something to pull vacuum when air's coming in, I guess, when the throttle body actuates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swap over this neck when I take off my oil intake manifold, and then I should be good. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. So, yeah, that should be good. All right, well, the weather cleared up a little bit, so I guess I'm going to just try bang out this all today. I got my cable connected. I borrowed. This isn't a Bimmergeeks cable, but they said it is. I don't know. I'm going to just pray to work. So Slap the good old ignition in. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. In 52K, I guess? Let's see. Let's try it on the Bluetooth. Alright, let's see. Alright, so I fiddled it with a little bit. I watched a video. Basically, all I had to do was I had to change my COM port to 1 because it was at 11. So this cable does work. I'm going to be using that. Let me just mess around with this and see if it gets any information. I have the MSV80, so that's the N52K. Let's see. Let's read DME info. It's probably because... Okay, whatever. Oh, you could just use this key down here. Let's see. Maybe read memory. Read memory cells. Okay. Okay, so if it recognizes an IP, no, let's try. I'm gonna play around with this and get back. Alright, well, I don't know if you can see there, so I thought the SP Dayton files. Anyways, I'm still trying to figure out the tuning stuff for basically to get WinKFP to recognize the DME so that I can tune it. I'm gonna just start removing crap from the engine bay and all that stuff, so yeah. Intake manifold is out. Yeah, I should have replaced the starter. Alright, I'm prepping the new one. I'm gonna put some nice fresh gaskets on the intake side and then slap it on and it should be good. So yeah, that part had to come out because I don't have a vacuum line. The only hard part was getting this bracket off, so gotta play around with that. Okay, so we got the old intake manifold off. This junction box was a pain to get off. We had to unbolt it from the bracket. Should have replaced my starter, but yeah, had a nice little amount of oil in here, but valves are all pretty much clean across all four. Slap everything back on, put everything back together, tune, and we should be good. All right, intake manifold is on. I'm gonna start buttoning everything up, finish connecting everything, and then I'm probably gonna try and start it, make sure everything works, and then I'll try to do the tune. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, got that rotary. Oh yeah. Okay, it is now day 2. It is like 40 something degrees, but got everything back together, and I got a little help. Right, Nathan?
I'm not speaking the English. Excuse me, sir. No, you wouldn't let me free.
Exhaust.
Brum, bum, 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 bum.
So we're gonna get the tune done. Then we're gonna go to an exhaust shop. Put on my. What are you putting on, Nathan?
Brum, bum, 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 bum.
My Yanaka. All right. So hopefully this mic works. Car's done. Took a while to do the tune because we had some errors and stuff, but everything's good now. I capitalized a help. Basically, what's next is I'm gonna try to look for a transmission tune, and we're just gonna tune up the transmission. Probably help get the shift points a little nicer and smoother. What did you think about the car?
Shit.
Can I race your record? Cause I will.
And I will beat you.
Yeah?
I know how to drive.
What happened on the Jackie today?
I've made an exit.
Alright, that concludes video number 3, I guess.
Pussy!
I need sponsors. And ain't got no gas in it.